Hello guys, and today let's solve the LeetCode problem merge two sorted lists, number 21 problem on LeetCode. So it is an easy question, but it's a very important one because it is a prerequisite for other more harder questions, and it's a pretty straightforward and easy question if you think exactly what is being told. So in this problem we have two linked lists that are sorted in ascending order, and we need to output a linked list that from both of these that is also ascending in the ascending order. So imagine let's have it written. Let's have our paint opened, so, and have like two linked lists like here. So 1, 2, and 4, 1, 2, and 4, and also 1, 3, and 4, 1, 3, and 4. So like that, and we need to output these values in ascending order in one linked list. So for that we will have a one while loop and two pointers, one that will point at our beginning of our first linked list, and second one at the beginning of our second linked list. So, and we will have, for that we will have a starting linked list like a dummy. So like start, and it will be just 0, so like that. And because they are sorted, we can essentially the first value here, if we look at this one, this value is the most lowest, because after that it will go only higher values. But yeah, if you take this one, okay, no, I wanted to say it's first, but it doesn't matter because we are looking to the right, so this 2 will be always the lowest one at mm, to the right, as well as the other. For example, if we had more values, so essentially after this 4 won't come any greater numbers than 4, so we can just proceed and look if one of these numbers is less, uh, what value is lesser, and put it to our start linked list. So in this example, doesn't matter which one we will choose. Let's take this one, so we will put it here. Then our pointer will go here, and we will compare 1 and 2. 1 is lower, so we will put here also second one. Then we will proceed our pointer. Here we will put 2. Then we will also proceed our pointer to the next value. So here will be now 3. Proceed to the next, 4 and 4, and this 4. And at the end, we will have essentially a while loop, and our condition will be if any of these linked lists is not none. Depending on the implementation, it is usually like that. The last value is null or none. So, and our condition is we will go till we reach none of one of them. So on each iteration we will do the next value. So, and when we reach none, then we will break the while loop and just append the rest of either linked list. For example, if we had here not 4, but for example, let's say we had here also something like 6 and 9, we don't need to extend it, do some slices. We can just append this for like this, and because it is a linked list, it will have this value here by default. So like that. So let's implement it. We will use Python for that. So we will have our variable start that will be just a list node, and we will have our tail variable that will be start. We need start to because we need to return the first value, the first node. So we will do start next, and we will return it at the end like that. And here we will do our while loop, while list1 and list2. We will have here our if condition. If list1 value is less than list2 value, then our tail next will be list1, and our list1 will be list1 next. So essentially the next value of it. And else we will do exactly the same, but now for list2. And at the end of the while loop, we need also to do we need to proceed our tail. Tail will be equal to tail.next, because we have refreshed here, here, and here, and don't need to populate it here. We can just do it at the end. And at the end of the while loop, we will have our if condition. If list1 then tail.next is list1, else tail.next is list2, like that. Let's try to run it. Takes some time. Let's look if I did everything correctly. And of course here should be list2, like that. And yes, let's submit it. And like that it works. So it is really a simple solution, but it is a prerequisite to other hard problems and hard algorithms like merge sort or others. So it is pretty essential that you know it. So take some time to understand it, practice, implement it also in Python or in other language. And thank you for watching. Leave a comments, give me feedback, subscribe if you find this video helpful, and bye.